Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video and for practicing English with us today.
Hello, we're really happy you're here. In this video, we're going to practice real English step by step, just like in real life.
Yes, this conversation is for beginners, but also for anyone who wants to feel more confident speaking English.
We're going to talk about how to introduce yourself, how to ask questions, how to respond, and how to be polite in English.
Don't worry if you don't understand everything at first. Just listen, repeat, and practice with us.
Alright, let's start with something very important. Introducing yourself.
Hi, my name is Ellie. What's your name?
Hi, Ellie. My name is Daylene. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Daylene. Where are you from?
I'm from the United States. And you? Where are you from?
I'm from the United States too. It's nice to practice English together.
Yes, it is. Practicing together makes learning easier.
So, Daylene, are you learning English?
Yes, I am. I'm learning English. I want to speak better.
That's great. I want to practice speaking too.
Perfect. We can help each other.
Sometimes I don't understand. Can you help me?
Of course I can help you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This is how we start a conversation in English.
Simple, natural, and friendly.
In the next part, we're going to practice more questions, more answers, and everyday phrases.
So stay with us, listen carefully, and repeat out loud.
Now we know each other. Let's practice greetings.
Yes, greetings are very important in English.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I am doing well. Thank you.
That's great to hear.
Hello. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. And you?
I'm fine. Thanks for asking.
Sometimes people ask, how are you?
You can answer in many ways. For example, I'm fine. I'm good. I'm okay.
And it's polite to ask back. And you?
Now, let's practice asking for a favor.
Okay.
Can you help me, please?
Yes, of course. What do you need?
Can you repeat that, please?
Sure, no problem.
Sometimes you can help.
And sometimes you can't. I'm sorry. I can't right now.
That's okay. Thank you anyway.
In English, we often say please and thank you.
Yes, they are very important.
They make you sound polite and friendly.
So today, we practice greetings and asking for favors.
Simple phrases you can use every day.
In the next part, we're going to practice asking for help and helping others in real situations.
Keep listening and practice with us.
Sometimes when we speak English, we need help.
And that's okay. Asking for help is a part of learning.
Excuse me. Can you help me?
Sure. What do you need help with?
I don't understand this word.
No problem. I can explain it to you.
Sorry. Can you repeat that, please?
Of course. I'll say it again slowly.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
Sometimes you don't wait for someone to ask.
You can offer for help.
For example, do you need help?
Yes, please. I need help with my English.
No problem. I'm happy to help you.
Sometimes you can accept help.
And sometimes you don't need it.
Yes, please. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Or you can say, no, thank you. I'm okay.
That's polite too. In English, we often say, I don't understand.
Or I don't know.
And that's perfectly fine.
So now you know how to ask for help and offer help.
These phrases are very useful in real life.
In the next part, we're going to practice asking for things like in the store.
Let's continue. So keep watching and practicing with us.
Let's continue. Now, let's imagine we are in the store.
Yes, this is a very common situation. Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I'm looking for something.
Sure. What are you looking for?
I want this, please.
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, do you have this?
Yes, we do. It's right here.
Great, I like it. How much is this?
It's $10.
Okay, I'll take it. Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm looking for something cheap.
Sure, let me show you. In a store, we often say, how much is this?
And also, I want this. I'll take it.
Simple phrases, but very useful. Is that all?
Yes, that's all. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. This is how we speak in the store.
Polite, simple, and natural.
In the next part, we're going to practice verbs like bringing, want, and talk in daily situations.
So don't go anywhere.
Let's continue. Now, let's practice some common verbs we use every day.
Yes, these verbs help you express what you want and what you do.
I want a coffee.
Okay, do you want sugar?
Yes, I want sugar, please.
All right, I'll bring it to you.
Can you bring me that menu, please?
Sure, I'll bring it right now.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Do you want to walk to the store?
Yes, I want to walk. It's close.
Great. Let's walk together.
Can we talk for a minute?
Sure. What do you want to talk about?
I want to talk about English practice.
That's a good idea.
Can you bring me some water, please?
Yes, of course.
I want to practice more English.
And I want to help you. In real life, we often say, I want, can you?
They are simple but very powerful. So, now you're practicing real verbs in real situations.
This is how English sounds in daily life.
In the next part, we're going to practice asking for favors and helping again, but in longer conversations.
Keep listening and repeat with us.
Let's continue. Hi, Daleen. How are you today?
Hi, Ellie. I'm doing well. Thanks. And you?
I'm good. Can I ask you something?
Of course. What do you need?
Can you help me with my English, please?
Sure. I'm happy to help.
Thank you. Can you talk slowly?
Yes, no problem. I'll speak slowly.
I want to practice speaking today.
That's great. We talk and practice together.
Can you bring your notebook?
Yes, I can bring it.
Do you want to walk to the park later?
Yes, I want to walk. We can talk while we walk.
Sorry, I don't understand that word.
That's okay. I can explain it.
Thank you for helping me.
Yes, you're welcome. That's what we practice for. Do you need help with anything else?
Yes, please. Can you bring me some water?
Of course, I'll bring it right now.
I like practicing English. I like practicing English with you.
Me too. It feels natural and easy.
Yes, it doesn't feel stressful.
Exactly. Practice should feel comfortable.
So, this is how we use English in daily conversations.
Simple words, clear ideas, and kindness.
In the next and final part, we're going to close the conversation and encourage everyone to practice.
Stay with us for the last part.
Let's continue. So now, you're seeing how we use English in real life.
We practice greetings, asking questions, asking for help, and using common verbs.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
You just need to practice a little every day.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
Speak slowly. Use simple words and be confident.
Your English will improve step by step.
You can practice this conversation again and again.
Pause the video, repeat the sentence, and speak out loud.
Practice with a friend, a sister, or even by yourself.
The most important thing is to keep practicing.
Thank you so much for watching this video.
We really appreciate your time and your support.
If you like this type of practice,
please like, share, and subscribe.
See you in the next video.
Keep practicing your English.
Bye. See you soon.
Bye.